Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today, I would like to talk about a Malaysian river situation. And my speech title is Irresponsible Act Endangering the Malaysian River Ecosystem. Look at the newspaper highlight. It shows 80% of the rivers around Klang Valley have been colonized by non-native fish. Native fish species rivers are faces extinction as 80% are overtaken by non-native fish. That was info from BH Online this year. Native aquatic life in the rivers around Klang Valley is expected to extinct as the waterways plundered and permanently dominated by non-native fish species. That was quote from the Director General of Malaysian Fishery Department on May this year 2024. So the introduction of non-native fish, fish species into a Malaysian river actually disrupt the ecosystem, and effective solution has been implemented as preventative measure. So let's move on to the causes and effect of releasing the non-native fish into a Malaysian river. What is the cause? So first, that was came from aquarium trade. As a fish outgrow and the pet owners finds them unmanageable, they take a easy way to just release them to nearest river from their home. Secondly, was from recreational fishing. Introduction of non-native fish species into the river, of course, adding more fun for the anglers. For the fishes like peacock bass is a very famous for the anglers, and they start illegally stocking the fish into the river. And lastly, it came from the ritual belief where the pet owners are releasing their pet or fish into the rivers as for blessing or merit or for luck as per their belief. So what is the effect of those acts? Firstly, of course, they will affect on biodiversity loss into the river. So the native fish species are outcompete and become a prey from those alien species fish, and this will disrupt the habitat of our local fish. Also, the food chain also are disrupt, and this action will lead to the extinction of our local fish as per news highlighted earlier. Secondly, it will impact the environmental. These those alien fish and non-native fish actually will increase the pollution and sedimentation. I will take a sample of the pelago fish, which is known as ikan bandaraya in Malaysia. When they are laying egg, they will make a hole along the river side, and because of too many hole, that will cause a landslide at the riverbank area. So third, there was also an economic impact on the local fishing communities. Of course, they cannot catch our fish anymore. Also, it will cause the authority of Malaysia and state authority to removing those fish from the rivers and spend a lot on tools. So, with an understanding of cause and effect, let us move and discuss of the potential solution for these problems. Firstly, thank you for the state of Selangor as they are rewarding a cash reward to catch those non-native fish, and they will buy back them at 1 ringgit Malaysia for 1 kilos. Secondly, the Malaysian authority has stricter the implementation of regulation and on the aquarium trade and fishing practices. And thirdly, of course, promote awareness campaign. As you can see here, this is a poster provided by Malaysian Fishery Department. It's about education and about the dangers. Also, you can see they have listed the species that cannot be released into Malaysian river. And from the from my speech, I would like to conclude that releasing non-native fish into Malaysian river actually cause of biodiversity losses, habitat losses, is also increased pollution and economic harm. And it is very crucial to us to highlight this problem and start to protect and restore our ecosystem, our river ecosystem. And lastly, I would like to encourage all the audience, please promoting the campaign of awareness and prevent those to happen again. Thank you.